Did you know that over $3 billion in gift card money goes unspent every single year? And that's exactly what I want to talk about in this video. What up? You got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And in this brief video, I want to talk about the $3 billion that goes unspent as it relates to gift cards. And since at the time of this recording, we're approaching a holiday season, we're approaching Thanksgiving, we're approaching, Christmas. And many people celebrate Christmas for whatever reason. And that's not here. I'm not here to talk about, all of that. I'm just here to say that many times you're spending money on people or you're buying gift cards for people. And if you want, access to some discounts on buying gift cards for someone, I'll link a couple of things down below so you can do just that. However, understand that gift cards usually go unspent. So what's going on right now is a national use your gift card kind of holiday. National Use Your Gift Card Day. It takes place in January, but just in case you end up buying a gift card, make sure that the money is well spent. They're also allowing people to donate their gift cards if they don't plan on using them. But why is this important to you? Well, you got to understand that many times when you're spending money on certain things, even though your interest was, you had great intent on doing those things. Sometimes if the person themselves didn't spend the money, they might not necessarily value it as much as you do. So during this Christmas holiday, make sure that you spend money on things that you feel can either be of use or they'll use it in areas where they're more likely to use it. But don't overcomplicate the holidays and go in debt and do certain things that might put you in a hole all because you were trying to please someone else. Be mindful of your spending and make sure you understand that love happens without the purchase of a gift. So you don't have to please or show somebody you love them just by buying a ton of gifts. If that's something you want to do, you can do that anyway, regardless of a holiday if you see fit. But gift cards are a great gift that you can give due to the fact that it allows them to choose what it is that they want to get with the money. Just make sure you choose a gift card that they can use wherever they choose to use it. And you make sure you tell them to use it so they don't waste your money, because I don't want your money to be a part of the $3 billion that's unspent as it relates to gift cards. Because we're all about income shifting. And if you don't understand the strategy of income shifting is basically you taking money that was being lost and funneling it into your strategy to help you build wealth, whether that's taking extra money and paying down debt, building your savings, investing that money. So if money is spent on something that didn't get utilized, then that's a lost cause of money that could have went towards your investments, could have went towards you putting into a saving or investing or opening up an investment account for a child of yours. So just understand when you're spending money that you spend it in an area that you feel is going to at least be of use, but don't overdo it, and make sure that you know that no matter what the holiday is, you are focused on building your future, hitting your goals, because a lot of times towards the end of the year, people don't understand the the way that they're setting themselves or digging themselves a hole, all because they're celebrating these holidays. So $3 billion goes unspent on gift cards, and don't let that be you, because if that's you, then by all means, your money is going somewhere that could have been put towards your future. That's all I got in this brief video. I saw that topic and I was like, that's pretty interesting. Let me, just at least say something about it just in case somebody plans on spending money on gift cards. But what I really want you to do is invest in areas that you think people will spend, because if you invest where you think people will spend, then over the holidays, guess what? Your investments may grow. But hey, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you any financial advice. I have to say that. I just want you to think differently as it relates to capitalism in this holiday season. Instead of you just being a customer, a buyer, focus on trying to be an owner. That's all I got. Signing out.